Friends, in our today's list of IPO, we are going to talk about Rex Pipes and Cables Industries Limited, which is aiming to raise small amounts from the public worth 6.24 crores by issuing 24 lakh equity shares with a face value of rupees 10 each. The raised funds are partly used to finance the working capital requirements, meet general corporate purposes, and meet company expenditures. Hi friends, myself Shiva from Allfins. Our aim is to raise your financial awareness through the videos we make on behalf of Allfins channel. Please subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page to achieve financial freedom. Why late? Let's begin the topic. Now we will discuss little info about the company. Reliable economical exit, in short Rex. This Rex Pipes and Cables Industries Limited is a Rajasthan-based company and engaged in the trading and manufacturing of PVC pipes, HDPE pipes, cables and fittings. These products are used in different industries, that is agricultural, power, construction and engineering. It has ultra-modern state-of-art manufacturing facilities in Sikar. The company further undertook manufacturing and fabrication of bus bodies with a total capacity of 600 buses per year. It offers distinctive types of products for the passenger transport industry, that is city buses, school buses, intercity coaches, executive buses, commercial road container trucks and others. The Rex Pipes and Cables Industries Limited has been in forefront in developing of many innovative plastic piping products. Rex is created with pioneering several path breaking piping products and has been a torch bearer in transmission from conventional to advanced piping system in the country. Rex understands and appreciates the varied needs of its customers, then fulfilling research and innovations. The current capacity of the company producing around 2000 metric tons of finished goods per month. Sharwan Kumar and Sohani Devi are the company promoters. Now coming to company financials. Rex Pipes and Cables Industries Limited is showing sluggish increment in the profits. You can see the number displayed on the side of the screen. Might the revenues has increased to 4,438 crores in 2021 when comparing to 3,774 crores in 2019. But the profits are less when comparing to 2019. Anyway, if you want to try it once, there may be little chance of profits on listing day. Now coming to quota allotted. No particular percentage of quota allotted to any of the institutional, non-institutional and retail individual bidders. The minimum application that can be made by an investor would be 4,000 equity shares and there is no chance of applying in multiples of 4,000 equity shares. It means a minimum and maximum number of lots that can one apply is only one lot. Each lot worth up to 1,04,000 rupees. The minimum lot size would be 4,000 shares after listing on NSE. Now coming to main part, that is Rex Pipes IPO details. IPO price band. There is only a fixed rate, that is 26 rupees per equity share. IPO opening date 28 July 2021, closing date August 2nd, allotment date August 5th, initiation of refunds August 6th and shares are going to be listed on August 10th 2021. Friends, hope you got the basic details of the IPO. Once again, save the date for Rex Pipes IPO and subscribe to become the shareholder in the company. Don't have a Demat account to subscribe Rex Pipes IPO? Why late? Click on the the Demat account opening link given in the description below and subscribe to Rex Pipes IPO as a good start. Friends, I hope you are clear with the topic. If so, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Moreover, if you have any doubts about the financial products, please don't hesitate to post your query in the comment box and also click on the bell symbol next to each video to receive future uploaded video notifications. Friends, last one, if you want to clear your queries on stock market and mutual funds, you can also call me directly to my contact number displayed on the screen below from morning 10 AM to evening 6 PM on working days. Thank you.